We're out here on location. We're gonna do some speed runs. We got the 4x4 Rustler out. We put a new power plant in it. We got a Hobby Wing Easy Run. What is that? Max 10 SCT or make sure it's what it is. I won't tell you the wrong thing. And 4,000 kV motor. And we're gonna see how fast it goes. We're running a 46 pinion, or I'm sorry, 17 pinion, and I think a 46 spur on it. So we're gonna see what it does. And then I had some arguments over the last video saying that this one here, since I didn't have a GPS on it, it's not accurate. So we're going to GPS speed that one too, because I claimed it did 49 mile an hour. I think I'm pretty accurate. All right, so we got the GPS, it's zeroed out. I'm gonna put the body on, shooting up and down this nice smooth parking lot, see how fast it goes. I'm gonna bet if I can get it to full throttle, 65, 70 mile an hour. We'll see how accurate I am. I think this thing is wrong because that says 154 miles per hour. And I know that was not 154 miles per hour. I'll show you, see if I can get a clear view. There's no decimal point in there. Yeah, 154, but no. We're gonna try this one more time. See if we can get this thing zeroed out. Look, watch, it's not even moving. 0, 4, 8, 14, 21, 23. And this thing was so expensive and it doesn't even work that well. So we're going to turn that off and we're going to put my phone in there. It's got a GPS app and we're going to use that. Hopefully I don't destroy my phone, but we'll find out. We hit 40 miles per hour and it was only still wasn't full throttle. 54 miles per hour. It's trying to lift the wheels anytime I go past half throttle. And I lose my steering and it wants to pull to the right. And then we smashed the curb. But it didn't break anything, so that's a plus. So we're gonna keep trying it and see if I can get it over 65. We got 10 more miles an hour to go. know if you've seen it in the video, it lifted that right front wheel and just started pulling. 54.58. We got some work to do, but I think we can get there. As you can see, that's, I would say, Well, the GPS said I'll have to look. That's quite a distance. I mean, there is a curve in the road here, but it's super smooth. And that one tire coming unglued, it just wants to come off the ground about yay much, and it's pulling it heavy to the right, and it doesn't want to stay straight. So 54 miles per hour at just under full throttle. I'm gonna say it's a 62 mile an hour car. Like I said, we got a lot of work. I've got some different gearings I want to try. I've got a bunch of fans on that motor because I really don't want to overheat it. And I'm going to put some belted tires on it because I still like to bash it. But we're going to throw this one on there next, and we're going to see how fast this x-maxx goes running 8S and to be honest with you, I forget what the pinion and spur is. I want to say it's a 4624. I don't remember. I have no confidence in them tires. I believe one of them will explode, and then I have a good belief that it's going to get crashed and something's going to break on it. I don't like those tires. I'm hesitating on pulling the trigger on a set of belted tires because somebody says that they're so much heavier and you're going to end up breaking the truck even worse. So $60 for 2 tires, or 4 hours on the bench rebuilding it. Now I think I'll just pay the $60. And then we're going to do a speed run on the Rustler VXL 2-wheel drive and see how fast that thing goes. I'm going to guess about 49, 50 miles per hour.